Hi guys, today we're going to learn a very useful feature in JIRA, that is how to create a filter and save it for future use. So for that you have to click on issues. So on the left side of your board you can see issues. Click on issues. When you go to issues you'll be able to see all the tickets, all the stories that have been created in your project till date. So this is the basic view or the basic filters. You can use filter by type, like whether it's an epic, bug, story, task, whatever, however you want to filter it by. You can filter by status. So maybe I can filter by done status. I want to see all the tickets which are completed till date. So yes, I have two tickets which have been completed. Then by assignee, and if you click on more, you will be able to see certain options on which you can filter your issues by. Now to save this filter or to go to more advanced search, you can click on this go to advanced search. When you click on go to advanced search, you'll find that apart from the basic filters, a lot many options are exposed to you for your usage. So you can filter by summary, targeting, start date, anything and everything that is possible. Now, if you want to save this filter for future use, you can click on save as. Beside this, you can click on save as button. You can give a name. So I'm giving a name called completed tickets and submit. So when you submit this, the filter is saved, but the filter is still in your private view. So you click on filters, view all filters. In this, you'll be able to see all the filters that you have built so far. But you can see this is the filter that I just created. It is by default in private view. So nobody apart from you will be able to see the filtered view even though you share the URL. So that's a common complaint that you may find when you send the URL to your team. So to give access, just click on these three icons, click on edit, and from here you can change it to my organization. Click on, don't forget to click on add. So click on add. So you can see my organization has come and click on save. So now you can see that completed tickets filtered view is has access is can be accessed by anybody in your organization. So if I want to see the issues in the filter view, I can go to filters, click on completed tickets, and I'll be able to see these tickets, the completed tickets at any point of time in the future without taking the pain to apply the filter every time. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.